Now this is the tile goes on top of this screed, right? So imagine your tile is there and your tile is there. So that's your slope, which is a very nice slope. That is about 8 or 9 mil in that length, which is about 600. So that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fall. As soon as the water runs off the person having the shower, it's already down the plug hole before they can say, gee, that's a cool fall. Now, if more so-called tradies did it like this, they wouldn't have any trouble. You know, like, it's a no-brainer. Why do people get water falling back to the wall? I do not know. Like, come on, people. It's pretty bloody simple to get fall, but a lot of the times their levels are reading wrong. And with large format tiles, they're keeping it pretty flat. And they get into trouble easy, real easy. This waste I left when I put my tile in. When I got to make it bigger yet. Like so. So I go like that all the way around, and that gives me room to waterproof down to there and then in down the hole. Anyway, I'll carry on with this. That's why you get people, they jump in the shower after I've gone. They jump in the shower, have a shower, and they go, oh, Chriso, it's so good. And this is how. That's how you get it. So then you just check it. See that bubble? See that bubble? You've got absolute beautiful fall. come back to you soon. Mud. I put about 70 ml of water in there to a bag. Start with 50 or 60, add a little bit more as you go. It's always easy to add. Hold it with 2 feet. There you have it. Whooshka. Whooshka. I just want to say. See, that was another good song. What's his name? What's his name? Forgotten. Was just playing on the radio. If you put your mud over onto a bit that you haven't slurried, just scrape it away like I have done there, and you're laughing. I just want to say I love you. That's it. Just drag it back. See the slope there? See the gap? Cool. Okay, I'll start filling in that side. I'll put down some slurry. So it doesn't get too squeezy, I'll do that part with mud. I'll still mix up there. I'll come around, do my track around against that wall, and then I can just mix a couple of buckets out there just to drag this doorway out, and we're home and hose. Always put down your water, then your glue. Doing it that way, this way, on a dusty floor, will stick any mud to that floor and it'll last forever, I tell you. Okay, I'll mix a bit of mud and I'll run some mud in there and throw my level across there to get a nice track, and then I'll just pull it back. Easy peasy. See you soon.